In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link cells from one Google Sheet to another. We'll start from the Google homepage. Open the Google Apps menu, the grid icon in the top right, and choose Sheets. From there, open the spreadsheet that contains the data you want to bring over. Think of this as your source file. With that source spreadsheet open, go to the File menu, hover over New, and select Spreadsheet. This creates a fresh destination file where the linked data will appear, and it helps keep things organized. In the new spreadsheet, click an empty cell where you want your data to show up. Now we'll use the import range function. Type an equal sign, then import range, followed by an open parenthesis. Add a double quote, paste the full URL of your source spreadsheet from the browser address bar, and close the double quote. Type a comma, then another double quote. Next, enter the name of the sheet inside your source file, add an exclamation point, and then the range you want to pull. For example, sheet 1, A1, C10. Close that final double quote, add a close parenthesis, and press enter. In one line, it looks like this: import range source spreadsheet URL. Sheet name .a1 C10. A few quick tips to avoid errors. The sheet name must match exactly, including capitalization. If the sheet name has spaces or special characters, wrap it in single quotes like Sales 2025, A1D. You can bring in entire columns with something like AC or a single cell like B2 depending on your needs. After you press enter, you may see an error message or a prompt. That's normal. The destination file needs permission to access the source. Click the cell with the prompt, then click Allow Access. Once access is granted, the data will populate automatically. From this point on, whenever the source range changes, your destination sheet will update too, which is the real power of linking. If the formula doesn't fill right away, double check that the URL points to the correct file and that you have at least view access. Make sure the sheet name and range are spelled correctly. To adjust what you're pulling in, simply edit the range in the formula. To link a different source later, replace the URL inside the first set of quotes. And that's it. You've linked cells across two Google Sheets using import range with live updates and minimal maintenance.